What's the meaning of airtight? Airtight. 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 Airtight.
Airtight refers to something that is completely sealed or closed off, preventing any air from entering or escaping. It can also refer to something that is very secure or resistant to outside influence. The result of having an airtight barrier is that it creates an environment that is isolated from the external conditions, whether it's to maintain a certain level of cleanliness, to preserve perishable items, or to prevent the spread of airborne contaminants. In addition, an airtight seal can also help with energy efficiency by reducing leaks and drafts.